Hey everybody, I'm Jerry. I'm a beginning trader starting with a really small account, about $10. And this channel follows my journey as I learn the markets step by step, be sharing some real trade breakdowns, both wins and losses with the market analysis and updates as I build and improve my trading system. I'm also building tools like Crypto Scanner to help me make my better decisions over time. Crypto has a lot of tokens in it, but most of those tokens tend to not be useful, and the scanner helps me to find more active crypto with more clear, smooth flows. That tends to help with me trading much better than going over and looking just at the 24-hour volume indicator. Because if any of you, others of you have looked at it over time, you'll notice that the volume indicator may indicate high volume, but then you go over there and you'll find that it is not active right now. The volume indicator just indicates that it's been active in the last 24 hours. Plus also some of these cryptos can be real choppy. You won't be able to find real flow in them. So if you can't have good flow, they're not really tradable, at least not in my book. Everyone does things a little bit differently, but with my quick jump in, scalp and get out strategy, they don't work very well. Okay, now this isn't about hyper shortcuts. I've made my share of mistakes. Part of the reason I'm at such a low account balance right now. But I've learned over time that if I follow discipline and I follow my particular setup, things work a lot better. It's not perfect. It's not get rich overnight. Although there are people that have done that. I'm not saying they haven't. That's generally not the reality. I've learned that it's more about learning, about staying disciplined, and building consistency. If you're interested in trading crypto or just following a real learning process from the beginning, you're welcome here. I'm just going to tell you, day trading, crypto trading in general can be risky, and you can lose everything you've invested into it. So you've been warned. This is more about education and just following me. So I hope that you have a good day, and I will talk to you next time.